How is it going? How is it going? Smart, and I'm back on your screen, right? Don't ever forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you have not done that yet. All right, let me just give you some few seconds for you to do that. Have you done that yet? Share the video also. You get the point, right? Right, so let's talk about Shiba Inu. That's by the way. Let's talk about Shiba Inu. Right, so remember my bearish bias. Shiba Inu is not happening again because of what? Last month candlestick closure. It's not happening again, ladies and gentlemen. You have to be excited because we are seeing what? A potential or medium-term bullishness, right? As touching Shiba Inu, right? So it's happening on other coins, yeah. It's happening on other coins, little by little. But we need to capitalize on the move, right? Capitalize on the flow, so that you can take that bullishness, capitalize on that bullishness to the upside. You always want to buy low and sell high. You get it, right? So I'm on Shiba Inu monthly time frame, ladies and gentlemen. Shiba Inu monthly time frame. So this is the bottom. Yeah, so this is the bottom. This happens to be what? The first bottom right here. Can you see that? Let me show you this. This bottom right here. This is the first bottom. This is what? The second bottom. You see that right there, right? So top down analysis, this is what? The third bottom right here. We saw a bounce off last month can close. Don't ever forget that. So analyze this on a monthly time frame approach. You get it, so that you can get the gist. You can get what you can actually understand what the market is doing, right? Right. So this is the third point. That price will bounce off the support zone, right? So take that into consideration. So one confluence, we've seen what? A double bottom right here. So this is first bottom. Let me show you this. First confluence, double bottom right here, first bottom, second bottom. The reason why this is here, that's actually the neckline there. This point, right? So this is the neckline. That's why you can see that price is reacting to this zone. So what do you do in this case? If I may ask, what do you do in this case? Drop your comments in the comment below. Very, very important. So what you want to do is allow for a monthly candle close above this level. Then we can buy this to this level. Can you see the space? Can you see the massive space that I'm talking about? Right. This is a massive space, yeah? So one thing about crypto is about patience, yeah? So you want to be patient in the game. You can't just buy anywhere. You get a point, right? I know people are pretty aggressive, want to always buy. It's not like that, in terms of, if you want to look at this in terms of technical approach, you can't just go and buy anywhere. I've said that, loads of time on this YouTube channel. So if you want to be conservative, either you want to invest on Shiba Inu, whether you want to trade, right? Allow for what? A monthly candle close above the zone, something like this. Price trading to this point, then we come and make a retest again on this zone. Then in that retest, you go in that retest, bounce off the retest, then we can ride this to the upside right here. That's exactly how you go about this. It's simple, right? It's simple, right? But you have to take some technical tools into consideration. You get a point. So support zone right here, one confluence, double bottom right here, another confluence. We need to see a clear break of the double bottom row on the monthly time frame. Don't ever forget that these things are simple, yeah. But two confluences here. So we've already broken the trend line. This is on the monthly time frame. Let me go to the weekly time frame so that you can see what the market is doing. So right, so this is pretty much the weekly time frame. So let me draw this trend line right here. So this trend line is going to guide us. Trend line is a technical tool, yeah, that you use to, yeah. Can you see this right? Yeah. Can you see this? So everything is aligning perfectly. Trend line touch, right? Let me show you this so that you understand what I'm talking about. So trend line touch. This happens to be the second touch. Can you see that third touch again? Bounce off a break. This is a fourth touch. So it's going to be massive if we break out of this zone. Can you see this? If we break out of this zone, it's going to be massive. So what do you do in this case? Allow for this price, allow for price to break out of the zone. on a weekly time frame, then you can opt in and buy. You get the point, right? But there are ways you go about this. It's exclusive. Just so you know, it's exclusive. But there are ways to go about this. But if you want to like invest or buy this, the weekly candle close above this trend line, then you can buy this to this level right here. This happens to be our first level target. This happens to be what a second level target. You get a point. First level target, second level target. It's as simple as that. So don't ever forget that, ladies and gentlemen. That's Shiba Inu in a nutshell. Right, so XRP, let's talk about it, right? You're gonna be pretty intrigued about what XRP is doing, because we do this every now and then. We do this, and we are going to do it again. You get the point. We are going to do it again. I had a bearish bias on XRP. The last video I made bearish bias, but we call long XRP from this level to this level. If you're OG of the channel, you should know what I'm talking about, right? So, but because of some bearish price action forming, I actually said that XRP was going to go deep a little bit before we see a pump to the upside, but that did not happen. Yeah, so remember, that did not happen. So this is top-down analysis right here. Remember, this is on a monthly time frame. Let me show you this. I always say that you don't have to disturb yourself about all of this. Price action is going to guide us. That's why we are here. You get the point, right? Price action is always going to guide us. So don't be disturbed and don't be worried. If you see some patterns forming here in the market, it can always guide us, right? Can you see this massive? Let me go to the lower time frame, yeah. But look at this massive bullish monthly time frame. Can you see break of this consolidation zone? We have been pretty trading here for a very long time now. Let me just box it and go to the weekly time frame. Top-down analysis has it. Trust me, top-down analysis has it. Can you see this right here? Yeah, this is the point I'm talking about. We have been consolidating in this zone for a very long time right now. Can you see this point right here? Let me show you this. Ladies and gentlemen. This point, price has been consolidating here. So remember, this is a upward trend. So you want to see price what's consistently making higher highs and higher lows right here. Can you see this point? It's still same, like not equal, but equal highs right here. Equal highs right here, not equal lows. Then pump to the upside, then come to that equal low again. Price has been pretty much consolidating in this zone. This zone right, price has been consolidating in this zone for a very, very long time. And immediately we saw a break on a monthly time frame. I know that price was about to run to the upside. But don't worry, I'm still bullish on XRP. Trust me. I'm still bullish on XRP. So let me show you the potential point that XRP will most likely trade to. Yeah? Let me show you the potential point that XRP will most likely trade to. So this point right here, so this is a very significant zone. I feel XRP is going to come to this zone. Like almost to $1, we'll make we'll first of all come to this zone, like 0.95 cent zone, before we go to $1 per coin for XRP. So just keep that in mind. I'm bullish on XRP overall. We just have to take some time, consolidate a bit before we come to the upside. Don't ever forget that. You get it, right? If you want to learn how to do this properly, more in depth, definitely take the course. All the links are in the description, and definitely stick around, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Go comment for me, drop it in the comment below, and I'm definitely going to see you on the next one. Peace out and stay safe out there.